Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and unplugging the clip fan, safety first. Once done, detach the fan from the clip and set parts on a clean towel. Use a screwdriver to remove the grill screws and keep them organized because lost screws stop progress. While you open it, look for broken wires, loose connectors, or dust buildup that commonly impair airflow. Make sure to photograph wiring positions so you can reassemble the same way. This prevents miswiring later on. Now that the grill is off, clean carefully. Blow out dust with compressed air and wipe blades with a damp microfiber cloth. Compressed air prevents pushing grit into bearings. Next, test the motor and capacitor visually and by feel. Warm, crunchy bearings or bulging capacitors mean replacement. If bearings look dry and the manual permits, apply 1 or 2 drops of light machine oil. Once lubricated, spin the blade by hand to confirm smooth motion before final electrical checks. You finish by reconnecting any wiring the same way you photographed earlier and securing all connectors to prevent shorts. Refit the grill, tightening screws evenly to avoid distortion, then remount the fan on its clip. Plug in and test starting on the lowest speed to confirm smooth operation and proper airflow. If it hums without spinning, suspect a failing capacitor or seized bearings. If vibration persists, check blade balance and clip mounting. Address the specific failed part next.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.